Yes, please. Take your seat. Archana,
Yes, sir.
so tell us something about yourself.
I am Arjuna Chaturaj. I am born and brought up in Kolkata, but now I am living in Durgapur in my in-laws' house. In the drama of academic, I have completed my bachelor degree under Calcutta University, and along with that, I completed my diploma in computer. My hobbies are doing meditation and cooking. I wanted to become a best version of me. That's all about it.
So you are basically from Kolkata.
Yes, sir.
So after living for so many years in Kolkata, you have been shifted to Durgapur. So is there any difference in Kolkata and Durgapur according to you, especially if we live in the society?
Both are good for me, but the temperature is disturbing me during the time of summer and winter also.
Okay,
But now it's quite good.
okay. Tell me something about your future plan and what are you doing to achieve that?
Actually, I'm on an only inheritance of my father. So now my father is a teacher, and along with that, he is a businessman also. Actually, I don't know what kind of business is this. So I asked my father that means he wants to give me the responsibility. So I asked him what kind of business is this. So he told me that when time comes, I will tell you everything. So yes, I want to be a perfect businessman like my father. That's it.
Okay, that's very good.
So, how did you come to know about ASP?
Actually, I came to know about it from one of my relatives. He took me here and we together learn English to Pile Ma'am.
So, any plus point or any suggestions you have after you've come here, you've joined here? So, how are you liking it?
Uh, First of all, I would like to means talking about the positive thing that our trainer is very good. All time he means standing by us.
So, if I talk to you about your favorite teacher during your schooling,
Okay.
so who is that, and what would you say about that teacher?
Actually, if I talking about this, all of the teachers are very good. Actually, I have some difficulties. I was disabled to speak. Means I was a means disabled person. After means for 17 years, I was able to speak. After 17 years, I took a operation, plastic surgery in Kolkata Medical. After that, I am now, you can see easily that I can speak. So I think all the teachers was good.
They cooperated with
Yes,
you.
every time. I studied in a government school, but nowadays there are some means negativities about government teacher. But really, they are very good.
Okay. So, as you are talking about government schools, so related to that, I would like to ask you, like, there is a perception of few people nowadays, and there is a big debate going on, right? About the government schools and the private institutions. So, can you talk about it a bit?
Actually, now I'm a mother. I have a son, and I took admission for my son in a private school. So there are huge difference between both schools. You know, ma'am, the dark reality, dark truth of the private school. Nowadays, it's not like a means temple of knowledge. It's like a shopping mall, shiny shopping mall, and you have to means it's mandatory to do all kind of things they have listed for the candidates. And means when I studied in my school, it's really means like a knowledge of temple. I think it's my opinion.
So nowadays it is considered that this is a
And
negative.
in
Yes.
private school, it has become a budget. all things has become budget.
So, what are the things that should be done to bring up a positive child?
Okay. At first, to take a knowledge, at first days means every time I teach my son, at first be a good person, be a good human, be a good decision maker.
What are the things to do to get something, to get success in our life?
At first, to be means perfect human, and second is you must be good in academic field also.
Most of the kids are facing problem in speaking English, especially those who are not from English medium background. So because of this, they are not getting better chances also. So according to you, what kind of things should be done? Means what kind of practice or what kind of environment should be done to be a fluent speaker in English?
In a spoken English center, there should be a careful teacher, like File ma'am, like you, sir. I admire you and ma'am, and without ma'am, it's not possible that whatever I am now, it's for File ma'am. So yes, definitely there should be a good trainer or teacher, and second is it depends on us also.
Okay, so I would like to know, after you've joined here, so have you made any friends?
Yes, I have one best friend, Pile ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes.
you made your teacher a friend.
Yes.
That's good. No other friends?
No.
So you don't manage speaking to them, or
Yes, I speak to them.
but they're not your friends?
Yes.
So outside this place, do you have some good friends?
Actually, I have literally I have no friends. I had no friends. Actually, I had my best friend. She was my sister, and I lost my sister 10 years ago. And 3 years ago, I lost my mother also. And to me, it's my personal opinion that a mother and a sister, they are the best friend in your life. It's my opinion.
Never mind, now you have a best friend.
Yes.
Okay, so one more last question from my side.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know, what is the importance of money according to you?
Well, yes, good question. Money allows us to cover our basic needs: food, shelter, healthcare, education, and yes, it grants us peace of mind also. So, you don't need to be necessarily be a Bill Gates or have a lot of money to fulfill these kind of things, but you have at least you have minimum money until the day you die.
Okay, thank you very much, Archana, for coming here.